Finally, dumating na ang aming 20-feet container van from Oman. So, thank you so much for Azenit 4 Winds delivery. This is the second time na nag-deliver sila ng container van dito sa Pilipinas from Oman. So, that was happening yesterday. Tagal din namin hinintay yan. Hindi naman masyadong matagal. Pinadala yan ng asawa ko last July before siya mag-resign. So, ayan. So, last 2019 also, we had a 30-feet container van naman. That includes our all house stuff from Oman. Yun yung mga gamit na nandito na ngayon sa bahay namin. So, yeah, kung tatanungin nyo magkano yung binayaran para sa pagpapadeliver ng 20-feet container van from Middle East, the company of my husband paid 560,000 pesos, including the shipment door-to-door from Oman to Philippines. And then, nagbayad lang yung asawa ko ng extra 37,000 for the taxes, ng house stuff, at saka ng container van. Kasi binili na namin yung container van. Dati, hindi namin binili. Dineliver lang nila. Pero this time, we also buy the container van na to keep us for ourselves. So, yeah. The company also paid $17,000 for the insurance ng item, ng buong house item. And yung laman niyan, worth of $8,500 worth of house furniture. So, yeah. And some appliances. So, mga total of mga more or less 800,000 peso worth of house stuff from Oman. So, yan yung gamit ng asawa ko for the last 2 years na nag-work siya, bumalik siya ulit sa trabaho. That's why the last 2 previous years also, I also going to Oman for a trip just to, be with my husband and have time together. So, yan. Grabe talaga. Medyo masikip yung right of way papunta dun sa property namin. Pero na-maneuver naman ng maayos yung truck. Ang laki-laki niyan. Akala talaga namin. So, that's going inside to our property. Ayan, medyo nahirapan sila. Wala ako dyan kahapon kasi I was busy cooking for my son birthday celebration. So, yung asawa ko na lang yung nagpunta dyan. And then, dyan nila i-offload. Dyan muna mag-i-stay yung container. Dahil dyan nga kami, yung property na yan, dyan kami magpapatayo na second house namin. So, yeah. Ang tanong, anong gagawin namin sa container? After namin ma-unbox at saka ma-unload yung mga mga gamit dyan. So, sabi ng architect, it will took us like 11 months to finish the project. So, dyan muna sila. It's a very safe place. Kasi 2 padlock yata yung nilagay ng asawa ko dyan. And yung mga neighbors naman namin, they are very nice and kind. Nandiyan din sila lahat kahapon. Tumulong din sila kung paano i-maneuver yung truck. They are very helpful. Thank you so much sa mga taga-Dawis. Yan. I forget our purok. Which purok we are. Pero yeah, nairaos naman. So, naglagay lang kami ng post dyan. So, siguro, soon, pagkatapos ng bahay namin, gagawin lang namin na storage area or maybe mini bar or dadalhin namin sa Panggangan kasi we have a beach lot in Panggangan. Siguro, gagawin lang namin siyang room doon, something like that. I-upgrade namin to a mini room para may with the ocean view, ganyan ba. Depende. First time naman namin magkakaroon ng container, no? And wala talaga kasi kaming choice. Kaya kailangan talaga namin bilhin yung container dahil wala kaming paglalagyan ng mga gamit namin. Hindi naman yan kasya dito sa bahay. And ayoko din naman mag-rent ng bahay na paglalagyan lang ng mga gamit na yan. So, it doesn't make sense. So, I said, just buy the container also and we do something about it in the future. So, yeah guys, yan. So, again hindi kami yung nagbayad ng shipping yan. Yung company kung saan nagtatrabaho yung asawa ko, sila yung nagbayad. Kasi libre ang shipping. Pag mag-move ka, after work, libre yun. Even dun sa shipping also ng mga gamit namin, last 2019, company din ang nagbayad. And it cost them like parang nasa more than or less 800,000 peso for a 30-feet container van from Oman to Philippines. So door to door din yun. Sila din ang nagbayad nun. Kaya yun, laki nang na-save namin. Malaki din talaga yung na-save namin kasi yung house item din namin talaga. You can't buy those kind of furnitures here in Philippines. And yung husband ko, mahilig talaga siya sa furniture. So, that's all inside. Yan na yung mga box. 47 boxes.